on the day? Well, today is the day where I take this manifold, I cut it up into a million pieces, and then I start welding it all together with the TIG, and hopefully I don't make too much of a mess of it. So yeah, I'm going to need to set up the welder because I have trialed a couple of spots and it seems a bit hot, so I'm going to probably end up changing different settings and different nozzles. I'm using a 1.6mm one just now, but I might actually bump that up to 2.4 because the 1.6 seems to be doing the job, but to be fair, I want nice big thick fat industrial welds on it, just so the hood doesn't crack. And again, I'm all about function over form. I'm not too arsed about what it looks like or how shiny it is or how polished. It's not getting polished, it'll be getting wrapped. Hide all them welds, you know what I'm saying? Go here. Another thing, I still can't think what I'm going to do with this wastegate. I'm not sure if I'm just going to hold it and go for a Garrett G25 66 with internal wastegate, or if I'm going to go for an 8374 Borg Warner, which are not cheap. None of them are cheap, especially compared to that 125 quid bad boy they are. So yeah, like I say, first thing I'm going to do is get the angle grinder. I'm going to crack off these welds. I'm going to pull this first one off. I'm going to set the welder up on this one. I'm going to TIG just now. Had this gas lens on it. It's actually got a lens on it, but absolute pish. Absolute pish. So going back to the sort of standard type. And sort of getting the thing dialed in now.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through.
Yeah, I know, it's not weld pouring at all, but it's going to be strong enough. Plenty sort of meat on there, so. Hey! Right, same video, but it's now a different day. So, yeah. I've been busy today, doing some diagnosis on a van. I actually fixed the door lock on the same van. Fittings and stuff for fuel rails, because everything's AN, like American stuff, Imperial, and I just can't get my head around that. That is pretty much, oh yeah, you've seen that would have been welded, so ugly as sin, but it's not warped too bad. But not only that, look at this wee thing. I found this, my old microphone. So I'm going to try that with the GoPro, because when I'm going over the videos and I'm editing them, I'm noticing I'm breathing like an old heifer, so. Nah, she's not playing ball. Ha! That fucking teacher. Right, I need to get rid of this shit. Clean up the bench and then let's get some welding. I've got some more of the Mrs. Tinfoil out. She's going to kick my head in when she realises I've nicked it all. She'll be like, try to cook the Sunday roast and that, and then next thing you know, there's no tinfoil and she'll go absolute scadge at me. So, right guys, I'm going to tidy up and I'm going to do some TIG welding. See you in a bit. And it's purged just now, and this is just a bit of tinfoil. I use tinfoil both ends. Yeah, it's obviously not tight, but I want a certain amount of flow, but I have got quite a lot of gap still, so it's the argon's pishing at the sides there, like, so yeah, I might tape up these, I'm not sure, but again I can still feel the argon coming out here as well, and that's where I'm going to be welding next. So because it's coming out there, it means it's around there, which is purged enough for in my opinion. So So I've got to say that's probably about an hour and a half, something like that for the TIG welding. It's all burst off the manifold and it's all sort of welded up. The welds are just sort of standard, they're not like weld upon or anything like that, but they are the right thickness of 3mm and they have got plenty of meat in there. I'm using 309L rods, which is rods you can use for steel, mild steel to stainless, so dissimilar metals. Flip this on the angle grinder, buff off the edges, buff all the old MIG welding marks, and oval out the ends and try and fit it up again. I've got all the pipes off. My gadgie, it was holding everything together, snapped, so my flanges are now separate. So I'll wait for it all to cool down and try and hold it together. Give it a wee tack with the old MIG because it's just quick and easy to grind off the welds. If it looks alright, just zap the thing up. She's still going good. Right, what I'm doing now is I've marked out some holes. It's thick, it's angle iron, it's about 6mm thick. I'm going to drill, tap and thread, and then I'm going to bolt down the flange just for taking it up to stop the flange from warping, or try to stop it from warping. If I had a block of aluminium or steel, it'd be easier, but I don't, so that's what I just have to do just now. Right guys, that's all bolted in now. You can see the bolts across there. Things going nowhere. Solid. So I'm going to start with this one first. I'll just do the bottom flange. Same with this end and this end. This end's going to need a bit of fettling because it did bend out a good 5mm. Because there's 4 bends on that one, 4 welds on that one, where the other ends are just 3. So yeah, so I'll get these tigged up, and I don't know if that'll do for the night. I don't know if I can be arsed anymore. But I'll keep you updated on this welder anyway. Whew! It was a lot of effort, so but at least it'll be worth it when it's done. And to be fair, you can't buy one of these, so you kind of have to make it. Right, well I'm going to call it a night tonight. I've got a good few bits all tigged on, some of the flanges sort of around there. Again, I'm not a professional welder, although I'd like to say that. You can tell by some of my welds, but morning guys, how are we today? So yeah, it's the next day, as I just said. Yeah, we've gotten back to the manifold now. One of the jobs we're doing today is I need to cut a bit off the edge there, because look at the pull on that. There's 8mm. So tack it in place at the gap. Then I'm going to bolt the flange back down again and take that bit in. Woohoo! Right, that's her done. She's all tigged up, all happy, all singing, all dancing. Smooth. So yeah. Whew. Tell you what, that took a lot longer than I thought, and I keep saying this, but it really did. So probably all in all about 10 hours, maybe 12 hours worth of work into making that manifold. Just, well, I've never done it before, so obviously there's things I would do different next time. There won't be a next time, hopefully. But yeah, it's turned out not bad. I'm pretty chuffed with it. It's solid, absolutely solid. So I am happy. Next stage now, I'm going to pour it out just the insides of it, match the exhaust ports. Although they are slightly bigger than the ones on the head anyway, so but I'll pour them out anyway just because. And yeah, try and figure out what I'm going to do with this wastegate. But anyway, that's going to be it for this episode. So probably it's going to be long enough, I would say. It's probably going to be about 15 minutes or something. And yeah, thanks for watching, and that's me up at 170 subscribers. I can't actually this videos was just for me as a little sort of reminder of what I've done with the cars themselves. Something to look over, and because, you know, Photo Bucket went tits up, I thought filming would be a shot. So anyway, 170 subscribers, thank you for everyone for that, for all the likes and comments as well. It's much appreciated, but someday, somewhere, must like some of the stuff I'm doing. So, right guys, I'll catch you next time. Cheers.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire.